So the sound and meaning, gross sound, and then finally, immediately, side by side, your speech sounds, right from the beginning. The baby may not understand a word of what you are saying, but the baby understands the tone of your voice, and he will smile or gurgle, responds to the tone, or he will sort of pout. If you say to him, asnoko karo, the baby will pout like that. I say, oh, good baby. He's not understanding the meaning. Okay? Right. He's not understanding the meaning. But baby responds to the tone. So all that is very necessary for your speech comprehension. So we start our language training. Why? From that. By that Anjaneya who is coming here. I am not teaching him words and to say sentences and the meaning of words. No. Just this tone and understanding the different commands. And he has started saying so many things. He even goes to the little play group now. He's now 1.5 years old. No.
Little more.
Little more than that. He's not yet 2. He'll be 2, I think, in April or May. Sometime or the other.
Yeah.
He has started understanding every spoken small command. Ajoba ale. Phone was like. Oh, phone was like. He will go immediately and look for that. Okay? And whatever he wants, he will recognize the sounds, so this is how we take them along. Right? Now, we will not get a speech response from a CP child, but there is no harm in getting him to understand. And even if they understand complexity of language, there is no way you can stop them in their mental growth. Language is a must for intellectual growth. Because how does one learn to think in abstraction without language? You can't. So that you can develop. One of the best cases is that Nobel physicist. Who is he? Stephen Hawking. He can't speak. He is wheelchair bound. But he has been, of course he acquired these things but 10 and 11 is hardly an age. These are all physical this thing. His brain is sound. In fact, it is an ultra superior intellect. He can't write, he can't speak, he can't do, but he has been able to win the Nobel Prize. Okay, he's an astrophysicist, no? Yeah, I think so. Yes, Stephen Hawking. You heard of him, no? Wheelchair bound Nobel laureate. Comprehension of language. He has the language. Is a must. Okay.